Hey guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you a 5-minute tutorial using products from Maven Beauty, and I'm gonna create this soft, sparkly, everyday glam look, which you can wear for the holidays, but also for any occasion you wanna wear it for. Now, the first product I am going in with is the Maven Beauty Soft Blend palette, which is their basic bead palette, but it's in the color Soft Blend. It has 4 shades, as you can see. All 4 of them are matte shades, and I'm going in with the lightest color, and I'm going to use this as a highlight color for underneath the brow bone. I love using light colors underneath the brow bone because it kind of lifts the brow, so it makes my brows look lifted, and it creates a really soft transition. So now I'm going to use those 2 colors, mixing them on my brush and blending this all the way in my crease, going from the inner corner to the outer corner. This gives a really beautiful warm undertone in my crease area, which will make your eye color pop out, which is always really nice, and eyeshadows blend it out really easily. So I'm just going back from the inner corner towards the outer corner, making blending motions. And when I'm happy with how everything is looking, I'm going in with a different shade. But first, I really wanted to make sure that this shade was all the way in my crease. Then now for the next step, I'm going in with this new palette by Maven Beauty, which is called the Cosmic Drip palette. And the one I'm using is in the shade Stargate, and I'm going in with this soft shade using my finger. This is such a beautiful color. Actually, all the 4 shades in this palette are really pigmented, really pretty. But since I am going for a soft look today, I am going in with this shade, and I'm just using my finger to apply this. It's a really soft kind of neutral shade, but kind of with a rose golden sparkle in it. Absolutely beautiful. Also really beautiful on dark skin tones. It just gives a really soft effect, which I think is also really beautiful for bridal makeup. Now next, I'm going to use this glitter eyeshadow, which is also a new product by Maven Beauty. It's called the Asteroid Tears, which is a liquid glittery eyeshadow, which is a wet texture. This is the color that I'm going to use today. It's called Aurora, and I'm going to use it on top of my eyeshadow. So I'm just using the applicator of the product itself to make sure that the eyeshadow is kind of like in the center of the eyelid. And then when I have done that, when everything is kind of like covered, I'm going in with a clean brush, kind of blending around the edges to make sure that there are no harsh lines, that everything looks nicely blended out. So now for the next step, I'm going to use this liquid liner, and I have to give them a compliment for this product, because I don't know if you guys ever notice when you use a liquid eyeliner pen, the tip dries out very often. So many brands have these liquid liners that work really well the first time you use it, but then the next time the tip has dried out. But with this one, you actually twist the end of the pen, and this way there will new liquid kind of run into the tip. So this way your liquid liner will never dry out, which I think is super cool. I've never seen a brand do this before, so I really appreciate that. So I use this to create a wing liner. If you recreate this makeup look and you don't like a wing liner because maybe you have hooded eyes or you simply can't do it, you can of course skip this step and only do a simple line above the lash line, or maybe skip all the eyeliner if you just don't like eyeliner. But I love a wing liner, and this product looked really beautiful and it worked really easy. Then now I'm going to use some mascara, and this was actually really weird because I never do my mascara before my lower lash line. So I just realized, so I went in with this eyeshadow from the same basic Beat Eyeshadow palette which I used earlier, and applying a little bit of this soft brown color and blend this underneath the lower lash line. In case you want to know all the exact products I'm using today, I will make sure to link everything in the description bar like I always do. So now I finished off with mascara, and I went back in with the Cosmic Drip palette using that same shade which I used on the eyelid earlier, and applying a little bit of that underneath the lower lash line. Now Maven Beauty also has these other palettes, so in case you're curious, they have a few other palettes with other colors which are really beautiful as well. And same goes for the liquid eyeshadows. There are a few other colors. I love using liquid eyeshadows like the one that I used in this video. So if you guys want me to do more videos using them, definitely let me know in the comments. And yeah, I just hope you all enjoyed. This is the end result of the eye look. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. If you want to shop Maven Beauty, the products, I will link everything down in the description bar. And yeah, I just hope you guys enjoyed, and hopefully I will see you all in the next video. Bye guys!